Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, and what is a cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that uses cryptography to create and secure its transaction. Bitcoin came first in public notice in 2009, and according to me, Bitcoin is an investment because first because it does not have any, it is decentralized, so it does not have any central authority, or it does not have any central authority. So not only it does not have any central authority, so government or any other authority cannot manipulate its data.
I don't agree with my friend Jagriti. My name is Vishal Jaju. I think Bitcoin is not an investment, it is a speculation, because Bitcoin is not growing there, but it was increased drastically in starting, but now it is not growing as much. As you can see the recent year data, it has fallen by 60.39%. And Bitcoin, our government and our RBI have warned people not to invest in Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is not trustable currency. It is not an actual currency, it is a crypto type. So it doesn't exist. People increase its price by reducing its supply. So it is a speculation transaction.
I think Bitcoin are the gambling, because the price change in the short time and the risky investment. The normally big countries are ban Bitcoins, and then no person responsible for the Bitcoin, and the online hacking of Bitcoin, Mr. Jackson of the Japan.
I'm not agree with my friend Kunji Bihar. Bitcoin is a kind of investment. Now the Bitcoin is price 3x down, increasing in 2016 to 2017, and Bitcoin investment is $5.13 billion in this time. And the 18,600 people are reinvestment in the Bitcoin in this scenario. And no government, RBI and government, no any information to the Bitcoin is illegal and legal. Everyone invests the Bitcoin is on motion.
I want to add one point. Warren Buffett said, yes, Bitcoin is a gambling, not investment. And I personally believe that there is no regulatory authority for controlling the Bitcoin transaction. So it is properly a gambling, not an investment.
Bitcoin, according to me, Bitcoin is a gambling because of why the RBI and the government also not backed the Bitcoin, and the RBI also not authorized the Bitcoins, and Bitcoin is a digital currency which is calculated by the mathematical solutions. So according to the RBI, 2,500 investors daily invested in the Bitcoins.
But I think that Bitcoin is spreading like a fire in a forest. People are spending it without any proper knowledge, without any risk associated with it. I'm not in favor
Bitcoin
of this
transactions are
topic.
the illegal and the normally for the tax evasion and for the gambling.
Bitcoin is not an actual investment, because you see the price of Bitcoins, it is like near about 27,000 right now in Indian rupees. But Bitcoin's price have fallen by 8,000 million in last few years. It has increased because of rich people. Bitcoin price have been increased because of rich people, because they have reduced their supply of Bitcoins, and demand was huge high, because people are investing too much at that time. But right now people realize that it is not an actual currency, it is a fake. It is crypto type. So
I agree with my friend. If any investment scheme is must be authorized by the Indian government, or Indian government and the RBI also not authorize the Bitcoins in India, then how we can set that
Bitcoin
It's
is
a
not
kind of
in
India. Cryptocurrency that is form of electronic cash and without any single administrator or a central bank, and this is because of the reason that there is no single administrator. That's why the Bitcoin is exposed to various threats, that is, it is vulnerable to threat, phishing, hacking, and many more threats been associated with it. And according to 2017 report, it has been said that approx 980,000 Bitcoins have been stolen from the cryptocurrency exchange market.
Bitcoin is not an investment, it is a gambling, because through which we can influence, it's called an investment of business, but
Yes.
we cannot influence the Bitcoin. And according to me, the people are investing in Bitcoin because not of substance, but because of a hype.
I support your thinking. Bitcoins are the irrevocable payment. If you send wrong person, then you cannot recover from the any person. Your
I'm
money are
totally
lost.
satisfied with you if you cannot force any payment in the India. in India, then how can we say that the investment bitcoins in the cryptocurrency is the better?
My name is Payal. According to me, Bitcoin is a digital asset designed to a peer-to-peer transaction as a currency. First, when Bitcoin concept was introduced, Bitcoin was used for the black marketing. Such as example is a Silk Road.
There is no governing body for Bitcoin. Once it is hacked, people can't recover their money. That's what happened in North Korea when they were in loss of $571 million. When in Asia,
if you look at the mere existence of Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency, if we think about the idea of its emergence, I think in a country like ours, we are totally dealing in financial markets and we are generating so much of revenue from it. Then why not innovate and deal in cryptocurrency as well? If we are going so much of gain from this financial market, then why not cryptocurrency?
I want to add one point, like Bitcoins increase the speculation in the market and guide our young generation in a wrong way. People are so much excited to earn the revenue in a shorter span, but yes, it also lay down the various youth in a guilt.
Bitcoin also
But
increase the
Bitcoin
black
is
market.
the only kind of investment. Anyone to earn the money. It's like a share market. Share market is no one a physical investment, but invest in share market. And Bitcoin is a digital currency. Around 59 countries have accepted that Bitcoin is a legal term. And India, now the time, India is no any right action. RBI and Indian government no say that Bitcoin is illegal. Only for say is your safety purpose. You have knowledge and you can invest.
I want to interrupt. Bitcoin is gambling. That's why in Bitcoin is banned in China in 2017 and completely banned from 1st Feb 2018.
there is a popular saying, the faster you rise, the harder you fall. That's what is Bitcoin. Bitcoin in December 18, Bitcoin reached $3458. Just 1 year back, it was $20,000. So that's what Bitcoin is.
If we are dealing in derivatives, we are dealing in options, if we are dealing in everything with finance markets, and SEBI is the regulatory body for it, we are looking for the negative parts. Why don't we look at the positive part and do it to bring something out from the cryptocurrency and benefit from it? That's the major area where we should look.
Cryptocurrency is not part of the financial market.
I agree with my friend. All over the world, 118 cryptocurrency in running in the market, and the Bitcoin is the one of the noticed in 2009, and the currently increased 2016 and 2007 3 times of increase the Bitcoin in this time. It's like an investment, and it's when the government when this time is the legal.
A friendly reminder, I am not deviating from the point. I am just talking about Dream 11. It is an online gambling. When we are supporting Dream 11, why can't we have?
We are not talking about legal, illegal. We are talking about whether it is gambling or investment. So it is legal, we know that, but it is gambling. Dream 11 is also gambling, so Bitcoin is also a gambling. We are not talking about the legal or illegal prospect of Bitcoins.
I am also favor in that Bitcoin or investment because decentralized currency cannot be manipulated by any government and any authority, and the fees of the per transaction are very low other than other currency.
Bitcoin and no stop the transaction by via bank entry and other time.
So it is a drawback for our country because it increased the black marketing in our country.
And even our country has not defined Bitcoin as a legal tender in our country. So
I want to add on one point, like about PM is not supporting this Bitcoin, so it is not ethical in India. And yes, many people are bankrupt due to the Bitcoin, so it is not a healthy practice to go for it. Rather go for the mutual fund and many secure fund which are very beneficial for our country. I think that
Bitcoin prevention on the duplicate and the create fake currency.
I want to conclude that yes, some people have the positive attitude toward this topic and some have the negative attitude toward the topic. But yes, Bitcoin is a gambling, not an investment, because it is not legally authorized by our country, our administration, and it is very harmful for our country and youth. Yes, it is very exciting to invest in the Bitcoin, but it lays down to the bankruptcy and negativeness in the youth. And yes, youth are also diverted from their mind and soul toward the hard work. They just try to earn the revenue in a shorter span, which is not good for their hard work, for their future. Thank you.
share your view and then review. बोलो आपके जो भी विचार थे वो बोलो आप।
नहीं बंधु एक बार बोलिए यार
नहीं बोलेंगे।
चल कंक्लूड कर ले एक बार बैठ।
तेरे को लगता है
अरे कोई दिक्कत नहीं सब बैठे